Join in on the fun and grab your glue gun. It's the Preppy Crafty Girl Show.
Hey guys, it's Jonna, the Preppy Crafty Girl. Thanks for coming. And I have a short haul and some happy mail. Really quickly, I ended up getting the Free Spirit fabric by Tim Holtz. I got the pink pack. Oh my goodness. It is just dreamy. I love their fabric. It's just so wonderful. Quilting fabric. It's beautiful. And then I got the red pack, and I ordered these from Simon Says Stamp, and also Whimsidoodle carries them. I'm hoping to get the orange set next. I picked up the Distress Oxide Scorched Timber because I want to try a Louisa Heinzel like technique that she did, and I'm going to be doing a video on that, my take on her little thing. I got some embossing dabber in the clear, and I also picked up some of this antique linen distress glaze for that technique. I not a big embosser, so this will be an interesting thing to try. She makes it look easy to do, but we'll see. And then last but not least, I picked up some Stampers Anonymous stamps. I got the Curator CMS 493, the Tim Holtz collection, and I also got the Tidbits CMS 488. So I picked those up. I'll link all this stuff in the comment section below. I do have an Amazon affiliate. You know, it doesn't cost you anything to use my affiliate, but I would appreciate it. If you do click on the links, it'd be awesome. I don't get anything for it yet because I'm not even at that level. I think maybe I had one person click on something, and I've been doing this for 3 months because I just don't like promote it or do anything. So I don't know what I'm doing, but anyway, I will put those down there. And technology, yeah. You know, I was kind of on the cusp of technology, so, and the fact that I went to film school at 55 is pretty amazing. And the fact that I graduated, and yeah. Okay, so my sister sent me a thank you for hosting her for Christmas, and she gave me a few things. I got some postcards, a giraffe and a squirrel, and she got me this gorgeous pin. Isn't that beautiful? It's not, it looks like garnet, but I think it's more kind of a brown amber color more than a red color, so it's that kind of garnet. But I thought that is gorgeous. That's going to be beautiful on one of my, in fact, you know what I should do? I should make myself, because it goes, oh, it's beautiful on that. I should make myself a journal using my new Tim Holtz fabric. Then she sent me the thanks for your hospitality hobby, Holly Hobby card. And she said when we went thrifting together at an estate sale, she pulled this out of the pack and then hid it from me because she didn't want me to get it, because she wanted to send it to me. She knew I liked Holly Hobby, and she didn't write in it. She stuck a separate note. So that's how you know, like, your family understands. They don't write on the outside of your envelope, and they don't write on your card. So I thought that was really funny and super cute. Love Holly Hobby. And then she sent me this. She said to you, she took a couple sheets out, and at first I thought, oh, well, this is kind of cool to use, you know, in junk journals because it's just paper. But she said that it's supposed to be for using with cheese. So it's supposed to keep it's called original fresh paper for cheese. There is a website on here, fenugreen.com. I don't know if they're even still around anymore, but you're supposed to wrap your cheese, and it's supposed to keep your cheese better longer. But she said if I don't use it for the cheese, then I can use it in my crafting. Then, oh my goodness, she sent me these. Look at this. Oh my goodness, with the little girl with the blonde hair and the braids. Just adorable with the little bunnies and the raccoon. I don't know if you guys can see this because the plastic's still on here. Oh man, is it super cute. Here, this side's better. So it's for a happy year, and I don't it might be a birthday. Well, let's just open it. I wasn't gonna open it because I wanted to protect it. But you know what? This is my year of using all my things. So let's open it and just see how cute it is in real life. Touching it. There's nothing better than vintage wrapping paper in my opinion. And I need to get some vintage wrapping paper packs together because I have more than I could ever. Yeah, it is happy birthday, happy year. Oh, how cute. With the daisies, my favorite flower. This is so, so cute. So there are 2 sheets. Oh my goodness, these are really cute. And then look at this one with the Siamese cat. No, and then the girl on the swing. This is birthday also. Oh my goodness, how cute. So you're getting to see this with me because I didn't open it. Okay. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Look at these. Aww. It's adorable. The little ladybug. Oh my goodness. This is adorable with the bluebirds and the girl swinging. Yes, this is the turtle for a special girl. See, now this is paper that I would have bought for my friend when I was probably about 7. I would have gotten that for their to give their gift in back in the day. And then I had one of these a while back, but she sent me another one. I think it ended up going in, the one that I got ended up going in a kit. But it has Creative Fun with art tissue, and I did not get to do all the things in it, and I wanted to try making some things because I thought this could be kind of fun, like the flowers, and especially for my spring swap. Maybe I'll try some of this. Maybe I'll try making some of these little spring things just to see. So that's more on parchment paper, special projects. Oh my goodness, look at the bunny. Wow. Wow. Okay, these are done like armatures. Cool. Well, I don't know if I'll go all out making the bunny, but it is pretty neat. And then they've got the patterns in here. But I could make a flower. Butterfly. Geranium. That's the geranium leaves. But I could make one of these flowers. That'd be kind of cool. Like, I wonder what other flowers they had. Because could I make like more like a spring flower? Let's see. They've got chrysanthemums. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Or I could make a plush poppy, which is probably that right there. You can make lovely lilacs. Cabbage roses by the dozen, small and realistic. Or I could make delightful daisies. Yes, I want to make delightful daisies. How cute. All right, I'll definitely be making that. Okay, then last but not least, I went to Angela the Traveling Crafters. Live sale was on Tuesday night a couple of weeks ago, and I was able to snag some vintage fabric from Sierra at I'm gonna put her name down in the box below because it is Coulees Crafting Corner, I think. I should have written it down and I didn't, but anyway, a Carol from the Crinkle Path is the one that ended up sending it to me, and she was one of the hosts, and she did the sale for Sierra. So look at this vintage fabric. Is this not? Oh my goodness. Look at this with this. I am so gonna make a journal. It's perfect. I am making that. In fact, this is gonna be my March. I'm gonna do this for March. For my birth month is in March. And then of course, these are my favorite, the mustard, the orange, and the avocado. Love it. And then this is, what is that? I forgot Pequot. I forgot the name of the Pico or something. The name of this fabric. I should know the name of this fabric. It has a little bit of a stretch. Super cute. Make a great journal. And then this is pink and green plaid. It is super adorable. It's kind of like pant wear or skirt wear. And I could have had a skirt out of this and a little vest and wore it with a little pink shirt, and it just would have been so cute. Would have been styling back in the day. But I had told Carol was in here, or maybe I think Sierra was in here a lot when I did my live, and I was telling her I may end up using this to do a pillow in my guest room, because these are the colors that are in my guest room, and I may end up doing this plaid and do a pillow for the front. I just need to find a really cute applique. That's my only thing. I want to try to find a retro, some kind of applique. If I could find a Holly Hobby applique, that would be amazing in that room. So anyway, people, that is all I got for this haul. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will definitely be making a journal for myself. I will probably do it live, and we will work on it together. That would be so cute. Thank you so much for joining me, and hit the like and subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. When I go live, you'll be notified, and that way you could join us on the live, and we kind of hang out in here for like 2 to 3 hours of just crafting and chatting. So if you need something to do, just have me on in the background while you're crafting. That's, you know, I like to do that too, and that is okay with me. You don't have to be a participant. You can even just sip and relax and put your feet up, put a mask on your face, and, you know, have me just join you. But, oh my goodness. And now I'm looking at this yellow Dymo label stuff. Oh, I already got my kit. I'm all set. I'm good to go. So I'm going to put this in my junk journal for this month. And anyway. So thank you, Sierra, for sharing, and thank you guys for joining me, and I will be back for lots of more stuff. Bye.
Preppy craft girl, living in her crafty world. She loves creating junk journals, surrounded with vintage things and wallpaper scraps. Vintage magazines, she's just giddy with glue sticks and golden scissors in her hand. But most of all, she's happy when she's crafting with her friends.